Welcome to JAP Car Center. Just came in stock 2006 Nissan Elgrand Highway Star 2.5 petrol automatic. This car costs 270 a year to tax. It's got side view camera, factory fitted 17-inch alloys. It's got keyless entry. You can also lock it and unlock with this button as long as you have key with you. Twin electric sliding doors. You can operate it with the key. You can fold back seats. It's got 8 seats. Got leather seat covers on. Electric windows. Steering wheel media control. We will start the car now. Retractable mirrors. Side view camera. Twin sunroof. Cassette player, DVD player, CD player, and it's also got the DVD player screen in the middle. If you have any more questions, please contact us. or visit our website japcarcenter.co.uk for more stock. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.